Laptops come to mind when considering a portable computer, and with regard to a mouse, what? Since most computers come with touchpads, why even need a mouse? But let's be honest, using a touchpad to navigate through massive documents or manipulate photos and videos can be really tedious. The new racing mouse is useful in this situation. The mouse is tiny and flat, perfectly sized to put in your shirt pocket. The company is confident in its comparison, stating that it weighs less, lasts longer, and works with all operating systems when compared to similar goods like the Magic Mouse, the Lenovo Yoga, and the Arc Mouse. It also includes an integrated laser pointer for presentations. It's also the least expensive of them all, costing only $29. Either a raw tooth that he wrestled himself, or a pendant with the Mjolnir Ti should be worn around the neck of a genuine man. The founders of this startup gave careful thought to what would be most useful in a perilous scenario. Their assessment: it is a sturdy, cutting blade that is deftly hidden inside a metal sheath fashioned to mimic a Viking amulet. You may even have runes inscribed on it if you'd like. In only 4 strokes, this blade effortlessly cuts through seatbelts. The Mjolnir Ti is your go-to flashlight, whether you are in a dark alleyway or on a deserted island, since they also have a version with an integrated lighter. The starting price is $98. There's a solid reason why the Timekettle X1 earphones appear a little thicker than your typical Apple Honor or JBL headphones. They have a ton of amazing features. They can translate speech virtually instantaneously between many languages. Timekettle X1 is compatible with 93 accents and 40 languages. Speaking 5 different languages, they can manage conferences with up to 20 people. In addition to being a box with a tiny battery, the casing doubles as a command center, with a bright display that shows text, word and phrase transcripts, and other information like the person's language. No more using the justification to sneak out of meetings. I don't get anything about this. The Timekettle X1 costs around $710. Attention, Star Wars aficionados. A fridge that resembles the astromech droid R2-D2 has been created in Japan. This refrigerator, in contrast to ordinary ones, has wheels and can even speak to itself. But don't worry, a remote control is used to operate it. In addition to the freezer, it has a small projector that is deceptively hidden as its lone eye, similar to what you see in movies. Additionally, speakers that provide the recognizable beeping sounds are concealed behind the plastic shell. Thus, you won't turn into Chewbacca if you don't learn to read your refrigerator. However, be ready to spend at least $7,000 on your own R2-D2. An increasing number of flats are equipped with smart home technology as it becomes more widely available. Even large retailers have dedicated aisles for items like air conditioners, kettles, and lamps that you can operate with a single remote control or your smartphone. A voice assistant called COVI Project will do everything you ask of it, including turning on devices and changing settings. In case you require it, it may also function as an alarm clock. Who would not want a light in their home? That's what makes COVI so cool. Furthermore, the light tone may be changed from warm to brilliant white. Using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, you may link it to your computer or mobile devices. It costs simply $99. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support means the world to me. Until next time, take care and stay awesome.